Hello. Now we try to finish our Barn Burning, an American short story written by Faulkner. Now, last stage we saw that Sati's mother was crying over the nature and behavior of Abner Snobs. Now, what is to be done with this man? He has a bad character of burning others' guns and bonds. Whereas on the other hand, our Sati is very honest boy that he by mind is ready to block his father. But this man collecting kerosene oil and going to burn the neighbor people's barn now. Now it is reported, page number 57. Mother was weeping in the next room, handed the can to his father, because father was snatching the can which has full of kerosene oil. And you going to even send a nigger? He cried, at least send a nigger before. Usually we see a nigger or negro man as a messenger. This messenger can be sent to the house owner, but he says no messenger here. Time his father did strike him. Earlier, during the case of Harris, Abner Lopez sent a negro to tell one day or another day you will have to suffer. In the same way, Sati asking, is there any messenger to go and report? Now this can the table almost excruciating care flashing from the can toward Cupid to the followed, gripping him by the back of shirt onto tiptoe before he had seen that face stooping at him, breathless, frozen ferocity, that voice speaking over to the old brother who leaned against the table. Sati reports his brother is also very dumb and is silent on the activities of his father, and nobody can control him. Even mother tried, she was rejected. Chewing with a steady, curious sideways motion, cause he empty the can into the big one and go on, I will catch you with him. Father is so angry. He says, go and take the can of kerosene, come with me. We have to take a revenge on him. Better tie him in the bedpost, brother said. This brother has having the nature and behavior of Abner Snubs. He says it is better to keep Sati at home with the mother. If he is very unwilling to do, you can tie him on the bedpost. Brother says, do like I told you, father said. Abner says, do as I tell you. Go and fetch kerosene. The boy was moving. His bunged shirt and hard bony had been his shoulder blades, his toes just touching the floor. All of a sudden, brother caught his shirt. It was burned. It was totally torn. Past his stairs, sitting spread with his mother and set aside on the bed. On Sam's his mother's shoulders. Father said, hold him, catch him. The old made a startled movement. Not you, father. Let me take hold of him. I want to see. Means what? Sati wants to inform like a negro. He wants to inform the nearest house owner that his father is coming to burn the barns. So he is a man of good nature. He is a boy of good nature. And he is honest. That is why from the beginning we say the subject matter is a conflict between innocence and cruelty, in honesty and dishonesty. So this is the subject matter of the story. He will go up yonder, he jerked head toward. I will hold him, his mother whispered. Mother told, don't worry, I will catch him. I will never allow him to go in front of him. Page number 58. See, then his father was gone stiffy and measured upon the boots. Then he began to struggle. His mother caught him in both arms. Mother tried to hold him with both hands, jerking, wrenching them. He would stronger in the end, he knew, but he had no time to what. Let me go, let me go, let me go. Mom, allow me to go. I want to inform this matter. Let me go. This is a very bad nature of her father. Let me go. I don't want to have to hit you. Otherwise, I have to hit you and liberate myself to go. Let him go. And also is an old lady says, let him go, my dear. If he don't want before God, I am going to up the myself. Don't you see I can't, Sati, no, help me, Lizzie. Then all of a sudden he pushed mother back and liberated himself. He was free. His aunt grasped him, but was too late. He whirled, running. Sati began to run to the house owner in a very, very fast way before father reaching the barn to burn. Crying to the near. Then sister also told, catch him, net catch him. But it was too late, sister. Yet living meat and volume what? Not yet having begun to rise from the chair, his head, face, no maintain, presenting to flying instant, astonishing, expansive female feature, untroubled by surprise. Then he was out of the room, out of the house, in the middle dust of the starlit road. Almost in the evening time, he was running in a fast like anything. Here out of the house he went, pale ribbon responding to slowness and running, reaching the gate. His heart and lump drumming on up a drive towards the lighted house like the door. He was destiny. His destination was to reach the house owner. Burst into sobbing, breathing, incapable movement to speak. He saw the astonished face of Negro. The house owner had the earlier also. Servant Negro was there. He saw the man in linen jacket without knowing when Negro had appeared. Then Sati being out of sweating, he has this pain. Where this pain? He saw the white man emerging from a white door down barn. He cried, Sati cried, barn. All of a sudden Sapien understood what the man is telling, barn. Yet he cried, barn, catch him. The white man shouted, the house owner shouted. Page number 59. It was too late this time. Sati anyway reported that barn, you are barn means white man could not understand. Negro grasped his shirt. Negro all of a sudden grasped his shirt. Entire sleeve broken. Rotten washing carried away. He was out of the door to the drive again. Actually, never ceased run away. He was screaming into the white man's face. Behind him, white man was shouting. The child all of a sudden began to run. Behind him, our white man house owner also began to run. My horse, fetch my horse. Now the white man demanded, Negro, bring my horse. I want to chase him. Climbing the fence of the road, he did not know that the path, nor he was wine whence ever he declared risk. So he ran down to the drive, blood breathing, soaring. He was in the road again, galloping mare. He took his horse and started galloping. That wild grief must common. Weed Google roadside. They were watching. They are running, chasing through very huge forests like roads, silhouettes of the stars, a triangle of summer's night. Horse and rider vanished straight abruptly while in swirling near. It is now being described how this white man chased our Sati. Too later to running even. Then he was calling anyway to block father. Pop, please do not do that. Please do not do that. Like that, as a gentle and honest boy, he was calling, Pop, never do that. Panting, sobbing, Father. At midnight, he was sitting the crest of a hill. He did not, it was midnight. Our Sati, after this incident, was sitting on the uphill. He did not know what had come. There was no glare behind him. Now sat on his back toward what had called him for days, and now his face toward the dark woods which would enter breathe was strong again, small, shaking steadily. Chill darkness hugging himself, reminder of his shame, rotten shirt and grief. My father, even if in a dreamed stage, even in his sleep, he was talking. Anyhow, my father was a brave man. Nor more they whisper, he was like in a war. He did not have any uniform. He did not join any military, but he was brave, as if he is talking in the sleep. He was Colonel Sortis Cavalry, not knowing that his father had gone to the war private. It was not he joined in the military to do such a work, but such a brave man was his father. Fidelity to no man, army, flag and going Melbourne himself. It meant nothing less than nothing to him if enemy booty to his own. It was not the private matter that he meant to collect private property from others, but he wanted to show what a man of courage is like that. The slow constellation, it is now description of the nature to finish the story. The slow constellation will dawn slowly. It would be dawn that is sun up. Now, after Sati's one night sleep in the midnight there over, he would be hungry. Now, waking up, he saw that he was very hungry. That would be narrow. He was so cold and having too much cold and wild and cure that his breathing was easier. Now, almost after one night's sleep and rest, he could be very active. He decided to get up and go on. Then he found he had been asleep because he knew it was almost dawn. Now it is almost morning time that he should wake up and return to his house. He could tell in front of the vipar wood. There were everywhere now the dark and below, that giving over to the day birds and near. Then after taking a decision to go back home, he got up and was little stiff could to be cold, and soon that would sun. He went down the hill slowly. He began to climb down the hill toward the dark woods with which the liquid silver voice birds calling unceasing. The rapid urgent beating of the urgent curing heart, singing. Curing heart means singing heart of late spring night. He did not look back. He aimed to his house. His destination was in his mind, to reach home and tell these all the matters to mother and aunt and sisters and brothers. He was as if in a dream. He was slowly walking slowly towards his home. He never turned back and looked, the writer says. This is the total end of the story by the writer. Now barn burning, as an acclaimed writer, Faulkner says this. So right from the beginning to the end, that you read each page by each, then go to the glossary and find certain meanings if wanted to put on that, and about to try to answer the questions given the back, then things will be okay. So this chapter, this story, they took you to the world of imagination, where the conflict between honesty and dishonesty, child and the father, the rich and the poor, haves and have-nots, all these are done. It is a philosophical method of presentation by this American writer. Wish you all the best.